If you're just getting started with Workever, or if you're an existing customer that receives jobs in bulk via a spreadsheet, you can import a batch of jobs via an Excel template. In this video, you will learn how to download the jobs import file, how to fill in the jobs import file, and how to import your jobs via the import file in Workever. Downloading the jobs import file. To download the jobs import Excel file, go to the Jobs section, select the Import Jobs option, and click Apply. In the Import pop-up window, click the Sample File option and download the file to your computer. Filling in the jobs import file. Open the file in Excel and fill it in with the necessary information. There are a couple of mandatory fields that you need to fill in for the system to recognize the jobs and import them correctly into your account. Job name, this is a mandatory field. The job will not be imported without a job name. Job status, if a status doesn't exist in Workever, a new status will be created. Customer name. Customer must already exist in Workever. Once you've filled in the mandatory information and any other details that you need, you can save the file to your computer. Remember to save it as an XLS file and not CSV or any other format. Importing your jobs via the import file. When you are ready to import the Excel file, you can go to Jobs, select the Import Jobs option from the drop-down menu and click Apply. In the Import pop-up, click Choose File and select the import file you saved on your computer. Once you've selected the file, click Import Now. The system will then display the file imported successfully completion message, or it will show you the errors from the file if there are any, such as missed mandatory fields or an incorrect format. Your jobs are now imported to your account. So now you've learnt how to download the jobs import file, how to fill in the jobs import file, and how to import your jobs via the import file in Workever.